All right, so I want to show you this question dealing with solving systems of inequalities. You're really just going to be graphing these just like you would in an equation. So this first one, y is greater than or equal to -1 6x plus 2. Think of it as an equation. We're going to start at the y-intercept, which is 2. And then it says that my slope tells you to go down 1 and right 6. Now, because this is a greater than sign and not a greater than or equal to, we want to make this a dashed line because we're not including the values right on the line. To figure out where to shade, I'm going to put in a test point. So I'm going to just show you how to do that. I like to use the point 0, 0 because that's easy to plug in. So 0 is greater than 0 plus 2. Okay, that's a false statement. So we're going to shade away from 0, 0 and go to the top of that graph. Okay. All right, for the second line, I'm going to go ahead to -2 and put a point. And then my slope says to go up 1 and right 2. I'm going to leave this a solid line because we have a greater than or equal to. And now I just have to go ahead and test my point. So I can use 0, 0 again and see if that's going to be true. 0 is greater than or equal to 1/2 times 0 minus 2. Now you can use any test point you want. This is just an easy one to use. So this is a true statement. So we're going to shade toward the 0, 0. And there's going to be an overlap here at the very top that's kind of like a grayish color. So all of those values, all those points in that shaded region, double shaded region, will be solutions. You just have to choose one. So I'm going to go over here and just find any point that's within this gray area. Okay, I might use, I don't know, 4, 7. Okay, doesn't really matter. I'm just picking any one I want to pick. Okay, and then it will tell me that yes, that's true. So this gives you an example of -6, 5 also being a solution. Okay, so there are many other possible points. And that's all you're going to do. There's going to be 5 questions like that. Just practice. Again, practice graphing and then doing the test points to see which way to shade.